What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda. If you love everything home decor, hit that subscribe button, join the YouTube fam. All of my oldies but goodies, welcome back. Today we are going to Homegoods to see what's new for fall 2022, so make sure to keep on watching. But of course, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up before you leave today. I truly appreciate it. And follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok, always linked down below. Before we head on out, I wanted to give a huge thank you to Venus and Fleur for sending over the most beautiful flower arrangement that I've ever seen in my life, you guys. I couldn't wait to share it with you. If you're like me and you love having fresh flowers in your home, then you know that it can get pretty expensive and they die super quick. What if I told you that you can get a bouquet of flowers that will last you not only a month, nor 2 months, but up to a year? Yeah, a year, you guys. Venus et Fleur is the original eternity flower, and I was lucky to receive one of their most beautiful arrangements. This one is part of their newest collection, but before I share it with you guys, let's talk about the packaging. I can totally appreciate the fact that Venus et Fleur makes sure that their products get to you at 100% condition. When I received my box, as you guys can see, I was super excited to open it up, and oh my gosh, when I tell you guys, the moment I opened that box and got a whiff of the roses, they smell amazing. Like, they smell so good. But you guys can see that they make sure that your flowers come at 100%. There is no cracks, no damages. And I also love that they send you instructions on how you can take the flowers out of the box without damaging them. So if you are thinking of gifting this beautiful bouquet to somebody, or if you want to just get it for yourself, rest assured that it will get to you at 100%. And also, they ship worldwide, so you can gift it to anybody. This would be the most perfect gift to give for a birthday, an anniversary, or even the holidays. If I received this, oh my gosh, I would be like ecstatic. Like, I love that they ship worldwide, and they also offer same-day delivery, so you guys definitely can check out more of their bouquets and shipping information on their website, which I will link down below in the description box. But let me share with you guys the actual bouquet. Are you ready? I don't think you guys are ready. Like, you're not ready to see this. Like, look at this. Oh my goodness. Is this real? Is this? Yes it is. Like, this is real. Like, these are real roses, you guys. They are 100% real. You could see I went with the most beautiful white ivory color. They have over 26 colors to choose from, and you can also choose a different flower, but of course I went with roses. I love having roses in my home, so of course I went with roses, and this is part of their new stone collection. They have a ton of collections to choose from, which you can browse through their website. Different sizes, small, medium, large. This is almost as big as my head. As you guys can see, it is huge, but I love it so much. And this is real stone. This is like travertine. This will look gorgeous on a coffee table, on a console table, on an island in your kitchen, like just anywhere that you style this beautiful arrangement. It's just chef's kiss. I love it so much. And again, you can customize it if you're, gifting this to somebody special. Customize it to their liking. Pick their favorite flowers, their favorite color of flowers, their favorite stone, their favorite, there's so much to choose from. Honestly, if I was a bouquet of flowers, this would be me. This would be me. I love it so much. I will forever be grateful to have received this beautiful arrangement. You get these little guys right here, which actually you can write a sweet note right here if you're gifting this to somebody personally, and give them this right here. It gives you instructions on how to take care of them. And another thing that it comes with is this card right here, which says someone cares. That is so adorable. I feel so special. I love it. Again, thank you so much to Venus and Fleur for sending this over to me, and let me know if you guys choose to pick one up for yourself. I would love to see what yours looks like, and this one is my personal favorite. I think it's gorgeous. So again, I will link all of the information down below for you guys. Now let's get going to Homegoods.
Holy crap, I do not want to get out of my car right now, you guys. It is currently 5:16 and it's 110 degrees. What? Who is feeling the heat? Because it has been so hot recently. crazy. Crazy. But I'm excited to be at HomeGoods. I have not been to HomeGoods in a couple of months, so I'm excited to see what's new. I really want to go in there and find you guys some CB2 Crate and Barrel Pottery Barn dupes for the holidays, but I just don't want to get out of my car. Okay, but let's go. Of course, I got my pumpkin cream cold brew to go to HomeGoods because duh, you have to get your pumpkin cream cold brew to go see what's new for fall. Okay guys, so we're here. We're at good old HomeGoods. Okay, so right when you walk in, you get greeted with all of these beautiful fall wreaths. Again, let's try to find some really good dupes. Right off the back, I saw these right here. These are really pretty. I love the color. Not a big fan of like faux plants, but this is pretty for the fall. I highly recommend pampas as well, which they usually do carry at HomeGoods. Oh, this one is $9.99. I like the colors. This in a vase would look so nice. But yeah, they usually do have pampas. I don't see any. I just see a lot of, you know, faux floral. But you can definitely find pampas grass here. Maybe they have it in the front. I'm not quite sure, but you guys can see they have a ton of wreaths to choose from. Let's go look at the pumpkins. Okay, we made it to the pumpkins. They have all sorts of colors and sizes and shapes. If you're a blue pumpkin kind of person, an orange pumpkin, they even have, I think, pink. Yep, pink and purple. They have so many to choose from. Wow. And white. I love all these. You guys can see the ones that you can find right now. And then they have some like random ones here. The wooden pumpkins are always really pretty. But again, we're not overdoing it with pumpkins this year, so let's go see what else. I wanted to show you guys these placemats. These are a great dupe. I feel that I always see something like this during this time of the year at Pottery Barn and Crate and Barrel, and these are way cheaper. These are $14.99 for a set of 4. These are pretty. They have a ton to choose from. Like a ton, guys. But those are great. And then on this side, they have runners right here. Wow, I have not purchased a cutting board in so long. This one's pretty though. I like the light wood. And the sizing is really good. This one is going for, how much is this guy? Let's see, maybe there's a sticker. Oh yeah, $19.99. You guys know that cutting boards can get really expensive, especially at Crate and Barrel and Pottery Barn. Whew, there's one that looks, I believe, just like this one. It's identical to this one. It's just a little bit bigger, but it's just as thick, and it's like this color wood. It's actually, I think, around the same price, but I think, no, if I'm correct, I think it's a little bit more. That's a good one. And then these right here, of course, these are great during the fall for a tablescape. You can use these for like a little charcuterie board. That would be cute. Or to put some muffins or something. Those are a classic. Those are nice, but yeah. You guys know that cutting boards can definitely get pretty expensive, so come to HomeGoods. They have a good selection. Pillows, pillows, pillows. They have so many this year in all sizes and colors, neutrals and burnt orange. Beautiful color palettes. Let's see if we find some that we like. Oh, I like this one. Texture. This is pretty. Let's see this one. So I can show you guys. This one's nice. I like that it's like a neutral color. I like the texture. Definitely something you could find at a high-end store. Something very similar. $29.99. I wish there was 2. There's only 1. But I'll hold on to that one just in case I find another one. I want to find a lumber pillow, but I don't like the funky designs. This color is beautiful. I love this color for fall. Let's go see. They have other aisles of pillows and blankets. Oh, I love blankets. Oh, let's go this way. Here we go. More pillows. Wow, if you're a blue person, this is for you. They have some grays. some blacks even. Some leather down there. They have a lot. Guys, they have so many blankets this year. Wow, a ton. This one's pretty. It's just white, knitted. Again, you can find a ton of those at Crate and Barrel right now. Then you have these right here. This color is pretty too. This one has like a chevron. Oop, a chevron print. These tossed over an accent chair or a sofa are really pretty. And they're inexpensive too. They're not that pricey. So this one is $24. Let me see the sweater looking one. Let's see. I remember I had a scarf that looked just like this and I would wear it so much. $24. Oh, okay, they're probably all 24 bucks. And of course they have different colors as well with different patterns. If you're not a neutral person, they have a ton to choose from. I think I got this one last year or something. Yeah, it was this one. It was this one. I have no idea where it's at now. $24. I like the color. It's a very muted, neutral gray color. It's pretty. Oh, I really like this one from DKNY. Probably the best one I've seen. I like the texture. It looks very expensive. As you guys can see, it has little tassels at the bottom. Right there. I like this one. How much are you? Let's see. This one's pretty. Hopefully you guys can see it. I like it. It looks really high quality. I'm trying to find you guys the price. Oh, $24. Ooh. I like it. And of course they have even more behind me. So if you want blankets, definitely come to Homegoods. They have a ton right now. I made my way to the home decor section, and of course I didn't really come with any expectations of finding new home decor, but I did find this, which I think is really pretty. This with some pumpkins would look really nice. It is 20 bucks. Ooh, I'm shaking there. It's a little bit heavy. They have a few to choose from. Or even if you put like some pine cones, that would look really pretty. Of course, right now, you know, they focus more on bringing all of the Halloween decor, pumpkins and all that jazz, but you guys can see they don't have very many good stuff right now in the home decor section, except for that guy right there. I think it's a really good piece. I really love this bookend. Do you guys see that? Oh, it's so pretty. I love it, but they only have one. I'm so sad. If I would have found the other one, I totally would have taken that. Love that. They have more home decor on this side. But we're here for fall decor, so let's go. Wow, they have a ton of baskets, and during the fall, these are beautiful. I love these really big ones right here. Do you guys see these? It's huge. Look at that. And it comes with a smaller one and an even smaller one inside. These look really good. They look really like high quality. There, this big one is $49.99. But imagine having that like in a corner of your home with some blankets, ready to watch some movies. They have a ton. They have more on this side. I love that. Oh, you guys, I cannot wait to be in my house already so I can start buying stuff like this. Because if I buy it now, I'm just gonna add more stuff on myself to move. This is a really cute collection. These are cute, again, for blankets to have to throw your blankets in. They have a lot of them. Made it to my favorite part of the store, the candles. Oh, they have so many. Wow. They're fully stocked on both sides. This side and this. Ooh. Ooh. Remember I was just telling you guys you could find taper candles pretty much anywhere? These are nice. They're falling leaves. Oh, I might just take these. As if I don't already have like 20 of them. These are $12.99. They smell like leaves. I love that. These are cute. Is this not the most adorable candle? Totally a Pottery Barn dupe. So this one is $7. It is a pumpkin, just white, cute. I am definitely taking this. I love it. Oh. Okay, this isn't home decor, but if I come across a good find, I'm going to share it with you guys. This is a really pretty chair. You guys know I have an accent chair just like this one, except mine was from the West End outlet. This one's $199. I can't remember how much I got mine for, but this one's cute. I actually like the cushion. And they have like this bench right here. This one's pretty too. But there's no price. I already looked. This one will look cute. Obviously, it's not the best quality, but I mean, if you're trying to save some money and get something rattan for your home, these are good pieces. Not me just taking one pumpkin. But I'm telling you guys, I'm really trying to hold up. I just wanted to come show you guys what they have. And in checkout, like I'm in the checkout line, I found these little guys. You can find these at Pottery Barn, Curtain as well. They have them here for $9. And these are cute. They don't have much going on. What looks so cute? I literally just bought one thing, guys. What the heck? But it was so hard for me not to want to buy everything else in the store. Again, I'm waiting until I move, so yeah. Oh, you guys, I like ran to the car. Like that walk from Homegoods to the car, I am sweating. I am definitely gonna blast the AC up. I hope you guys can hear me over the AC. It's just so freaking hot. It's still 109. What the heck? Anyway, so I did end up getting one thing, you guys. I got the candle because, again, I'm trying so hard not to buy so much stuff. We are moving in less than 3 weeks, so there's no point of me buying stuff right now. But this guy, I couldn't leave it behind. It smells amazing. Oh, it smells like pumpkin. It smells so good. Oh, I love it. It was only $7. Something like that at Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel. You guys, no. It's going to cost you like 20 to 40 bucks. Like $7, Homegoods. Came through with that. But anyways, that completes today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little shop with me. That was fun. I truly love seeing fall decor and holiday decor at Homegoods. It makes my soul so happy. I hope you guys are excited, just as excited as I am, to decorate for the holidays, and let alone be in my house like for the holidays. Oh my god, I cannot wait. So as always, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know you guys enjoy these shop with me style videos. Follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok. I actually did a TikTok while I was in there. Follow me over on TikTok, you guys. We have 105,000 followers, besties over on TikTok. I cannot believe 105,000. That's crazy. But you guys can see, did like a little TikTok. Cute, huh? So follow me over on TikTok. I'm very active over there, and of course on Instagram. And yeah, until next time, I hope you guys are staying safe. I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.